très bien. Je suis new artiste, très new, et c'est nous qui faisons artiste. So, nous connaissons très bien que je parais comme une femme d'affaires. I'm a businesswoman. C'est nous-mêmes qui faisons artiste. C'est nous qui voulons, which means faut nous comprendre que faut me prendre petit temps pour me travailler sous tête moi tout. Sometimes to work my voice, pour me travailler sous voix, pour me travailler sous un pile bagay que je pensais que je supposé travailler sur yo. So pas fait presser parce que I'm very new. Comme un nouveau artiste qui pas même gain presque 2 ans being an artist, je pense que me font pile belle bagay pour nous. Je pense que me font pile belle bagay pour nous satisfaire. Je pense que me nous un pile exemple pour nous capable suivre. Je pense que me nous un pile bagay pour nous parler, pour nous faire parler de nous. Je pense que me nous un pile bagay de nouveau que un pile mon a ba une importance journée jodi, je pense que c'est moi qui fait avant. So which means je pense que nous enough. I give you guys enough, but prends patience avec, be patient. Sous son bon flow nation qui gagne 100 flow a k'ap koule nan ven nou, m'konnen wap comprendre moi. I know you will understand flow. Parce que l'homme lage, moi bien lage. Okay? And I believe in quality, qualité. Trust me, qualité. C'est comme si vous comparez Louis Vuitton, Ross. Ross, wap prend pile mon entrée. Quantité, bye, tête chaud. Mais, sans acheter dans Ross, ça pas durer longtemps. C'est pas que Ross pas bon, non. Il pas durer longtemps. Mais si que ou entrer dans Louis Vuitton, ou bon valise Louis Vuitton dans main, oui, ou payer plus cher, ou joindre moins moun dans store là. OK, ou joindre moins moun dans store là, ou pas joindre pile moun dans store là, but l'o acheter, il ka durer plus de 4-5 ans. Ou pas obligé après payer acheter encore. So, je pense que faut nous comprendre Florence. Les m'a font bagay pour nous pas dépenser, budget pas petit pour nous, budget high level. High level. So which means I'm not like everyone. Pas comparer, pas même genre tout le monde. Pas aimer ba nou bouille vide. I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it. Now it's time pour nous quitter Flo, faire affaire, pour Flo enjoy li avec nous, prends patience, prends temps nous. How did you get rid of it?
I pulled it out with a scissor and then I flattened it and then I taped it down.
Wow, I love you, Shirley. What would I do without you? Okay, I promise you, whatever I drop, you're gonna be like, wow, I love this girl. Ça nous va le dire, nous va fâcher pour dire là. Il y a des gens qui me connaissent, Flonation n'a coulé dans sang yo. Et puis qu'a plein. Mais comme blague, voilà, et wesh. Dis-nous ça, comme ça. So, on va dire ma prend année mes amis. We have been there, done that. Non. Be patient, be patient. Nous sommes femmes de qualité. You know? C'est ça que fait le me share tout. You know, l'on bal cadeau for dépenser pour femmes nan. You know, sont femmes de qualité. And trust me. Trust me. It's better. Papa, let me not talk. Parce que, like I said, I'm working on my weight too. Yes. Moi, un fanatique qui, bral ba nou comment que, il parle avec. Fanatique ça, son fanatique que m'gagne, qui pas vin, li pas ka vini sous vrai page li pour parler avec pour dire Flo, fais this, fais that. Li vini sous yon faux numéro, des faux numéros, li monte sous plusieurs faux numéros pour la voyer message pour dire you fat, you this, you lazy, you that. So she wants me, m'geta wè son fan parce que li prend sang pour l'écrit. Oui, c'est comme si la écrit un livre pour moi pour dire que me fat. Elle fait ceci, elle dans gym, elle fait cela. Prends vocal coach. Prends this. Yes, baby. I have a vocal coach. I know you watching me. I have a vocal coach. Tia Wall. I know I've posted him. I have a vocal coach. Yes, boo. I go to the gym. I got a trainer, a personal trainer. Losing weight is not easy. And at the same time, the camera makes me look real big. I'm not that big. If you come see me in person, you're going to be like, oh, you look bigger on the camera. Yes, I look bigger on camera. I'm not that as big as you think that I am. I am not as big as you think that I am. And everything you say, yeah, okay, I'm working on it. Be patient. I'm working on it. I'm working on it and stuff like that. But I know you love me. That's the reason why you're trying to push me. You're telling me these things so I can look at myself and say, okay, let me do them. I was already doing them. But the one thing that you're doing, if my self-esteem was not high, you could have caused me to kill myself. Because you say a lot of harsh things at the same time you're pushing me to do better for myself. So next time you text me, my love, make sure you watch what you say, because I do take your texts very, very serious. Okay? Ou même kap di mal perdi poids, mari mpa vle m perdi poids. Chaque lem komanse fè effort pou m perdi poids, mal nan gym, li pa vle. He likes me thick. Real thick and juicy. You know? He likes it thick and juicy. Y'all laughing at me, right? Because I see Shirley cracking up over here. I saw you, Flo. You're very sexy, and the camera makes big with your skin. You're skinny. I saw you. Yeah, I'm really small. Really, I'm small. So I did put both boots. Let me show you guys. Vamos a ver. And I but la, baby, me femelle. Et puis me voici. That's Flo Nation. Want the extra fat in my back, yeah. Which gotta go. Yes, guys. Gale, c'est depuis souvent qui fait ça. I don't know. Bah, c'était non personne. Ok, Jennifer. Jennifer, lui, saint. Bah, c'était non personne. Je salue pour promoteur qui a fait bon travail. Je salue Lova et Mascompa. Page qui a bien promoté Mouy Clean News. Je salue Forme Parler, Radio Timiel. Je salue nous. Diaspora Epave, je salue nous. En fait, nous connaissons que moi et nous en pile. I love you guys so much. What time is it? I gotta go. I really gotta go. I think Tony's there already too. She does look skinnier and prettier in person. Yes, I do. I do. Go moun ki sote krim la li di ni remem jamye. My fans love me the way I am. Fanatic yo se sa wele fanatic. They love me. Fanatic me pa vle m fanyi. They don't want me to do nothing. Okay? Flo ale nou moun yap tan nou. Yes! Rete bien pou m ka pou an screenshot. Maman faut prendre screenshot nan lumière là. Is my makeup artist done? Is she done? Can I show her to the camera?
I'm not done.
But I want to show her to the camera.
I'm not done.
My makeup artist. That's my makeup artist. Take a screenshot, baby. And then I have my hairstylist here too. But she said don't take her. Papa gonna have fun tonight. Probably kakasha. Kakasha. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. My makeup artist and my hairstylist. You probably montre visage, but she's right here doing her hair. Okay, ladies, I'm gonna go. Boko we zando no Francesca gite mwen. Hein? Ki la liye? Mansou fe. Ki la liye Timon? Ki la liye? What time is it? 11:30? Oh, I'm not late. I don't think I should drive. I think I'm gonna Uber myself. Ouais, m'a préparé ma veine et puis pas dit que m'pa enjoy avec nous. Okay? I got you guys from now on. Oh no, I was not planning on wearing big earrings. Nou masin nan mitsa? Après les nan fet la. They're calling me. I think I want to wear this. Oh no, that's gold.
It has to be silver.
It has to be silver. Are you guys here? Est-ce nous là?
Yeah.
Mais Shirley dit mia. I think I want to wear this. Ça nous pense de ça. Joanne Cantave, ma chérie de moi, comment vas-tu, ma chérie de moi. Ça nous pense de ça. Oh. Oh, that's too much. We, bon? Yep. Ket, pou mda ele Uber ala, pou mda fe men telefon nan ave nou.
I'm assuming that you canceled all your clients, right? I'm assuming you canceled all your clients, right?
Okay, tell me what y'all think. What y'all think? Sa nou pase de zan nou yo? I like it. The first one is gold. I can't do the first one. Who's gonna order me a Uber? Cause yeah, I think I just have to close the line. Too much. Si wap retire sa retire chen na. Oh yeah, those lights were crazy. Baby album.
Not even in the camera.
You bon? It's good?
You one of those tough and deaf.
You bon? Okay, ase a Tony mix liye. Nale. Tonight. Nale. Mba vla ale pi mba jen parking. So ma pren Uber. So m'oblige fè men telefon nan. I gotta close the telephone. I have to close my telephone to go. Yeah, really. You look stunning. That's too much? Okay, let me be too much. I don't have anything else.
Any earrings. Don't like the earrings.
You don't like it?
Not the earrings.
Yeah, but there's nothing else. There's like a black earring.
Put it on.
Well,
You're not gonna see it.
Hold on, guys.
You can order mine.
What you got? Because I'm always taking yours.
Yeah, but it has my name, so, and it has my initials, so Keisha in there, so, you know, like,
It has your name.
it's not the whole name, but it's the initial.
Okay, I have this black earring.
of this one.
Try to think about this.
Oh,
No, right?
that's worse.
I don't like it at all.
These don't appear to be gold, but when you want,
Or what y'all think about this? That's too much. That's too much. Mom look no. Ain't no problem. Mom back peacefully. What a beautiful life. Ok, m'a mettre un petit point. On smell zan lo. M'a reme lo met zan lo long ak chen. Ok, m'a mette un point. Pinez yon balay la. Spray yo. Black la va bon. I know, black la tele d'amo. There is nothing wrong with the first earring. Yes, that one. I like the silver better. Leave the first one because the chain is short. Mi fò semblant femme riche belle. Thank you. It's happy.
You don't have to wear the silver one.
Yes, this one is good.
You're gonna have to wear the silver one.
Where? Which silver?
The one you already had on before.
Matsu
'Cause I
fe.
can't find the other pair for that one.
Ou pa gen l'autre paire sa?
I can't find it.
Ti pou yon pi bon. Ton mwen.
I got a smaller one that you can maybe pull it off.
Or a gold.
Okay, you can yon. I think. That's simple. You can yon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ow!
They about to send you virtual. They about to
Ow!
send you virtual band-aids.
Where? Oh my god. Non menm ki fèm sa.
Virtual band-aids loading.
You guys did that to me.
You want to go in, man? It's not out.
It's only 11 al 4D. Let's go. Oh, so fave lot la. What you did to it? I can't find it. I don't see it.
It's here.
Oh,
Jesus.
I get.
Oh, is that your earring?
Where?
Right here.
These on the oil, the gold ones? Yeah, you could put them here for me. Si moun bal montre nou view mwen Miami. I'm gonna show you guys my view. Sa nou panse de sa akoun yan. Met premier. Sa paret raz. Ah, nou di m pa mette 3 go earring, koun yan sa paret raz. Sa invente pi bon. You know what?
The silver one was better. The diamond one. Way better.
This is fine.
Keisha don't like it.
No?
No, it's doing too much.
Keisha
And
said
it's
it's...
a little bit doing too much, but
The hair is already pink.
My hair is already pink, so we going with this.
look like
The necklace.
Keisha a flow pou net t'embaraje nou in West Palm Beach.